In order to update a contact record in Infusionsoft without having to log into Infusionsoft, we need to provide a link to the update form via email. Let's go ahead and look at that email to determine the items that it will need. Once you've written the text for your email that explains what needs to be updated, be sure to leave a spot for the URL with the query string that we'll be pasting in and creating in just a moment, and I'll show you how to do this. The other items that we need to make sure that we adjust are the to email. We need to make sure that we choose the other option in the to and type in the name and email address of the contact that will be sending, or to the agent or rep that will be sending this update link to. You can also use the owner field email merge field information if this contact is assigned to an owner inside Infusionsoft. Now let's go out and look at the other piece that we'll need to have created for this to work. We'll want to create a landing page using the legacy builder, using this icon, rather than the new landing page builder, as the new landing page builder does not currently support custom fields. So in creating this landing page, we want to make sure that we include all the fields that we need the rep to update. The first name, the last name, and email are on this form, and we will, in this example, autofill those fields for them. Then we'll ask them to select an option from a dropdown, and we've included a text area for them to give us additional information. Once you've determined the fields that you need updated and everything is set to ready, go ahead to the Code tab and copy the landing page URL. Then navigate back to the email that you had created. I might also mention that you can create a series of several different emails if there are different stages that need to be updated throughout this process. So right in here, we're going to paste the URL. And the reason that we're pasting the URL and not hyperlinking it is because when we hyperlink it, Infusionsoft will create its own version of that link and actually cause a redirect to happen. So in order to avoid this, we're pasting the link right in to the text area, and the agent or rep's email service provider will make this link clickable. Now that we've done that, we're going to create the part of the URL that we consider the query string. We're going to add the question mark, and we're going to tell it which variables we're going to be filling in every time. So in this case, we're going to fill in the email. So we're going to put email equals, and we're going to add a merge field for the contact record. So by choosing merge and choosing contact fields most common, I can choose now the contact's email. I have additional information that I want to include in this query string, so now I'm going to put an ampersand and first name equals. And again, I'm going to use the merge fields most common, first name. And again, I want to carry over the last name in this string. So I'm going to put an ampersand, last name equals, and I'm going to include contact fields last name. Now I've created the URL with the query string, and this is what the agent or rep in the field will click on to update the contact record.